Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot soup at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring they are of the highest quality for the best taste. Next, wash and chop your vegetables into uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Finally, choose a sturdy pot that is large enough to comfortably hold all your ingredients and liquid. Now, let's build the flavor. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your pot and sauté aromatics like chopped onions and minced garlic until they are soft and fragrant. Then, add your harder vegetables, cooking them for a few minutes to develop their natural sweetness. Stir in your chosen herbs and spices to create a deep, inviting base. It's time to add the liquid. Pour in enough broth or water to fully cover all your ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook slowly, allowing all the vegetables to become tender and the wonderful flavors to fully combine. Almost done. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to perfect the flavor. For an extra touch, you might stir in a swirl of cream or sprinkle fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro just before serving. Ladle your delicious, hot homemade soup into bowls and enjoy it right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.